So this is the iRobot Roomba i3 Plus. So I bought this Roomba as a gift for my mom, which she always wanted. It came in a big box with the robot itself, the self-emptying charging station, and two replacement bags. So setting it up was extremely straightforward, just using the iRobot app on the phone. I think anybody, even someone that's not really tech friendly, can do it. It was very smooth with no issues at all. It came, so when it come right off the box, you have to charge it. It comes with a very low charge. I think it's a requirement when shipping due to safety reasons. So after I set up the app, I gave it a little bit of time to charge and proceed with the smart map setup. So without vacuum, it's just mapped the whole floor plan of the house. And using the app, we set different boundaries and named all the rooms accordingly. So this was actually pretty fun. So I liked the experience. And the whole smart map took about an hour while it learned how to avoid obstacles like tables and chairs. Then we set up the automated schedule from Monday to Friday and did a little test by using a Siri application. So I use it on my phone so I can schedule it with my phone, and the robot went to clean. So it also sends the notification to your phone when it's done, so when it's successful. So I'm also assuming that you get a notification if it's stuck, which hasn't happened yet. It goes over carpet like a champ. So it doesn't get stuck on carpets like another model that I've tried before. So hard floor carpet, it's good to go. So it's fairly quiet. So the only loud part is when it's self-emptied, but otherwise it's I do recommend it for the price. I think it's 100% worth it.